What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create your own social media management platform and sell it to customers for good money. You need to go to this website sendable.com that can allow you to do so. Now this is a social media platform management platform, and it can schedule it can do direct scheduling, it can give you post ideas, give you reports and everything. And what you want to do here is to go ahead and start a free trial or sign in if you do already have an account. And from there, go ahead and start a free trial. You'll need to enter your first name, last name, company name, email, and password. So I'm going to go ahead and do so now. Okay, now that everything is done, click on create account. And now click on choose your journey. Okay, sorry, I'm a founder at a small business who wants to schedule social media content in bulk. Okay, choose your journey. And now I'm on my main dashboard. So here I want to explore on my own. Now I have the publish, I have the calendar where I can schedule all the social media accounts for my clients. I can view here the activity. I can go to content right here, RSS feed or my content. And here I can get reports from all my content are doing. And here I have new auto post, and I can compose posts or ideas here as I want.